Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine and you are doing best in your life. I just want to suggest one thing. Keep doing istighfar. Keep saying astaghfirullah whole day with your work. If you have any problem, so keep reciting istighfar with that intention. After reciting istighfar, your problem will be solved and you will get the best solution of your problem. A brother tells that today I'm going to share a miracle story of a brother, and you will be amazed to listen that how Istighfar solved this brother problem and how he got amazing results in his life. He said that he got a job some time ago as a shopkeeper in a hotel. He was doing his job and everything in a very good way, and the manager and staff were happy with him. He was honest, he was doing the things regularly, he did not take off from his job. And he said, after some time, what happened? A parcel for his manager came with some hotel articles or goods, and this was arrived in a vehicle. All the things were received. Along with the same things, the parcel was also received, and there was an entry that the parcel has been received, but it was not in the hotel. Everybody found that parcel because that parcel has some important things that belongs to manager, and that important things were personal things of manager. So everybody was worried about it. We tried hard and we found it everywhere, but we did not find it. So manager called me, scolded me, and said to me that I am irresponsible. I did not do my job well, and he said to me that he want his parcel within 3 days, and that was your responsibility to check that thing if it is missing. So you are responsible for this. I want my parcel in 3 days. If you are unable to give me this parcel, then you have to pay 5 lakhs to me. And if you are unable to pay that amount, then you have to go to police station. I will report for you. Now I was so worried that what should I do and how should the things will be arranged, because I don't have 5 lakh rupees, and in another case when I don't pay anything I have to go to jail. So there was nothing what to do. I came back home. I was so upset. When my wife asked me what was the problem, I told everything to my wife. My wife said to me, there is no need to worry. Inshallah ta'ala, everything will be fine. His wife used to recite Istighfar every day. And when she listened the problem of husband, she said, there is no need to worry. Keep reciting Istighfar with me. And not only the wife and husband, but also their children started reciting Astaghfirullah. They kept sitting together and they kept saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. They kept asking help from Allah that we are in trouble and there is no mistake of us, so please help us, please help us. The people said we recited Istighfar abundantly in these 3 days, days and night. Even sometime we started, even sometime we counted how much we have recited, and sometime we didn't count. But with the whole work and whole activities, we kept reciting Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. After 3 days, when that person, that storekeeper, went to the hotel, when he entered in the hotel, he saw the parcel was putting on a table. He was amazed to see that. And when he went to the peon and asked the things, so peon said, this parcel was received in another hotel. And that person was searching us, and today the person came here and gave this parcel to us. So that storekeeper was so thankful to Allah. He was so grateful to Allah. And when he reported manager that the parcel was received and that was the scenario behind this, so the manager was so happy after listening this. Manager said that you are so responsible person and you are so honest person, so I'm going to raise your designation. Now you are my personal assistant. That person was astonished to listen this. Before 3 days, the same manager was saying that I was irresponsible and I was unable to maintain the things. And now after 3 days, he is saying to me that I am a responsible and honest person. And now he has hired me as his assistant manager and personal assistant. He said, I am so happy, and even I cannot express my feelings to you that just because of reciting Istighfar 3 days abundantly and keep asking help from Allah. Allah has solved that problem, not only solved this problem, but also raised my designation. So he said, we don't know that exactly how much istighfar we do, but we have recited two sets of 70,000. Means that 1,40,000 or 1,50,000 istighfar we did in these 3 days. And just because of this, alhamdulillah, I got my honor back, and I got the designation, and alhamdulillah, my salary has increased, and I'm doing job in a well way. So this is what, keep reciting istighfar, and keep asking help from Allah, keep asking forgiveness from Allah. Inshallah ta'ala, you will see miracles in your life. Keep reciting this. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.